Hi guys, today I want to show on the selectors how important role in desktop flow selectors will play. If you want to log in any page, I want to show you want to go to this page, the credentials, extraction, and entering and login. I'll show the page how it will do. Okay, we'll take this credentials. I'm taking here as input, name as URL, default is text. As sensitive, I'm launching a browser. Taking as variable URL maximize. Advanced 60 seconds. I'm not doing anything. Close it if any pop-up appears. After launching, we have to take populate. No, get details. Browser automation I'm taking. Get details element on web page. This is the selectors in browser. I have to check which is the correct text. Text is the same thing. Not to do anything. If it is changing the text, then it has to extract. I'm changing variable as username. It's like original text we can change. If you text, at least if you change the password, then it will take the same thing again and again. That will be toughest job to do that. That's why I want to tell the selector this. In the selector, I want to tell like this. We can take new selectors. It's like again another selector will come. We can disable this selector. If another selector is come. Rename this a repair selector. Repair. If anything is wrong, we can repair that. If you want text, in text editor. That's it. Now we're going to the populate. I'm taking from browser automation only the populate also. For this, I'm entering username. Advanced, nothing replace only. But we need to change the selectors. ID will be something, it will never change. Otherwise, we have to take the selector like inspect. It will never change. Not only this, in everything, it will be same only. Terms. Now I'm taking click, or we can take the press button also. That's not a problem based on scenario you can take. I'm clicking on button. Submit. Just will click on test. The selectors will come. If we taken the selectors, then is the variables this right side, and this is the UI elements. We can see which are the we taken. But if we click what we clicking, just check this what we clicking here. We can get an images. If we take the images, sure. We can capture this image. Okay, that's correct. Now, um, so then I'll run it from here. We'll see on that how it will do. Taking the password and entering. If it is enter the password also, password is invalid. What is this? We'll try to enter manually. Oh, oh my god. Why this password is wrong? You entered the same password, right? Then why it is coming? If you enter manually, it is coming. Okay. We'll use the trim text ones. We'll try the trim. Trim text, if any spaces is there, it will remove that. I have to choose. Check that what is that. I will see how it will happen. Oh, it's not entering the username. Credentials is perfect. Right. Then we use the one click action here. No. We'll take one loop. Loop index. I'm sending key. We can take any UL element also. That's not a problem. But currently I'm not taking anything. Control and the shift keys should work. I want to check in which time it will paste correctly out. If this is not pasting, that's no problem. We'll talk on the selectors mostly. That is also not work out. That's fine, that's not a problem. We can take X, send key or populate. Here we take in the browser populate. Here I want to show like normal populate. My normal populate is not coming. We'll see in the next time. Presently I want to show the selectors index. How I'm selecting. I can tick mark this also. But already it's given. This only texting. If you give also it will work like if you give an yeah, it will select. But whichever thing is important we can use. In the text selector whatever we need, which it will never change on the browser also again in that website. The type of things. If you're taking this ID, maybe it will change every time. That's why we will not select like this. This ID it will never change. I think this is it will be same in writing the programming also it will never change. That's okay. It's like the selectors will work like, and the images will show like in image format what we taking it will store like that. Click submit. Yeah. This is the selectors mostly using an input output variables here. Take the input and output variables. Whatever we're taking the variable storing, it will show on the flow variables. And the right side and the left side actions we have to take drag and drop. And that's it of the selectors. I think this is the stopper point and okay, that's it of the selectors. Great to see you. We see you on the next videos. Thank you. Bye bye.